Here's a quick tour of this vintage Coach station bag, style number 5130. This bag was made in China in 2001, and as you can see, it's in the color black. So this is another great classic style that Coach made. It has a nice top handle here, as you can see, and a detachable strap. So you could carry the bag by hand using this top handle, or you could wear the bag, and the strap is also adjustable. So it's got that nice strap option, and then it's also got a turn lock closure here, as you can see. I'll go ahead and give you a 360 of the bag real fast. So here's what the sides look like, and here's the back. Here's what the bottom looks like. It's got a little split seam here down the center of the bottom of the bag. And then I'll show you the top one more time so you can get a better look at the top handle. And then when we open the bag, I will show you the pockets. So here we open that turn lock closure. It's got a gusseted pocket here under the front flap, and then here's the interior of the bag, and it's got a second interior pocket as well, and then the create is also located back there, but since it's kind of hard to show easily on video, I'll insert a photo of the creed so you can see it. So that is the beautiful station bag, definitely a must in any vintage Coach collection, and this bag is available now in our online store. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link below so you can check it out. We have other station bags as well in different colors, so feel free to check out our store and search station bag in the search if you want to see the other colors that we have currently. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you next time.